Hey guys, it is the 4th December and I have a mitsutomo padlock 50mm. I guess this is a very cheap one. So let's see if we can get this open. And a hook. 1, 2. Wait, that cannot be right. It is a 5-pinner. Let's try that again. That cannot be right. That was easier than expected. 1, 2. Well, it's possible it's a 5-pinner, but I only have to pick 1 and 2. That is a sad one. Well, that was a very short video. But we got it. Well, to make it a little longer, we can try and rake it and stuff. So at least it will be a little bit longer. Let's see, with the S-rake maybe. It doesn't seem like that would work. Let's try the worm. And there we go. Alright, so we can rake it too. And we can try and rock it and sit it. Let's try this rocking tool. This weird thing. If I can get it in there. Oh, a little bit more in frame. Nah, that doesn't work. Let's try the L-rake. Maybe if we reset it. No. Alright. Let's try and zip it then. There we go. So we can also zip it open. It's really weird that I only have to pick 1 and 2. But, well, that is easier than expected. Alright, I have to take this cord out. There we go. Let's put it on the tree then. And I think we put it up there, just on the top. That was the 4th lock. Well guys, that's all for today. Well, it is not. I'm making a video later today because, well, I explain that later. But still, thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.